So hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 51 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 2103 rings and rods. Okay, so this is an easy layer problem. So let's see the problem statement. So there are n rings and each rings is either red, green or blue. The rings are distributed across 10 rods labeled from 0 to 9. Fine. So you are given a string rings of a string 2n that describes the n rings that are placed onto the rods. Fine. Every two character in rings forms a color position pair that is used to describe each rings, where the first character of ith pair denotes the ith ring color RGB. Okay. The second character of the ith pair denotes the rod that the ith ring is placed on 0 to 9. Okay. For example, we have R3, G2 and B1 describes n equals to 3. Fine. A red ring placed onto the rod label 3, green on 2 and blue at 1. Fine. Return the number of rods that have all three colors of rings on them. Okay. So we have basically 10 rods and each rods we are assigning some rings based on three colors, RGB colors. So we have to tell the total number of rods which consist of all three rings. Fine. Okay, so in the example 1 we have given picture. Fine, 0 to 10 rod we have, and this is where it is assigned. So at 0 blue, on 6th blue, and on 0 green, on 6th red, on 0th red, on 6th red, and on 9th green. Fine. So basically the second number of each pair is showing the rod number and first the color. Understood? So rings input is given in the string format. Fine. And here we can see based on this input only one rod is having all three colors, RGB colors. That's why we are writing one. Fine. In example 2, RGB all three are in present. It is also in one color, like only one rod. Fine. Other is not having the all colors. Fine. G4, so anyway it is single color, so there will be no rods which is having all three colors. Fine. So what we can do is, so this can happen like same color can be placed in the single rod. So we generally just need the size of 3 it should be, and all three should be unique. So yeah, we'll do one thing. We'll use HashMap as well as set here. Okay, set to store the number of colors, like different colors, and HashMap for the rods. Key, we will take red as a key and value as a set of the colors. Fine. Okay, and let's create then. So we have given input as rings, which is a string anyways. So what we'll do, we'll create one HashMap. Showing first will be our integer denoting 1 till 10 the rod number, and second will be our we'll take set of characters. Fine. It's equal to hm equal to new HashMap. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll run a loop starting from 0, because that is starting from 0. It will go till 9 and I plus plus. Now what we'll do, we'll take the HashMap name, forget to add. So hm dot add index, and we'll create a new hash set. Create new hash set. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll iterate over the given string. So we'll run another loop starting from 0th index I plus plus sorry, I should be less than rings dot I plus plus. We should increase by 2 because we basically every time we need pair. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll take index, second is the index int rod. Here we'll take rings dot caret I plus 1. So we'll take the next one, and it is will come as a string, so we'll do minus 0. It will give the integer value, right? Now what we'll do, in HashMap we'll first get the rod number, and in that we'll add, because it is a set, so we'll add the character. So character will be rings dot caret I. So first character will take it. Similar way we'll add all of them into the map. Now it will store all the unique elements as this is seed. Fine. Now what we will do, we'll take one counter to check on how many map is having 3 count. We'll run for the int val hm dot entry set here we'll see if val dot values equals to 3. So instead of staking, we'll directly check the keys here. We'll get add values directly. Anyways, we need to know the length of the add values, right? Val dot get val not here, it will be HashMap dot get val dot size. So if it is 3, we'll do count plus plus. Okay, and finally we'll return the total count. So that's how it will be. So we have got an error hm.add countered. So it will be hm.put. My bad. So it accepted all 3 test cases. Perfect. Fine, let's submit and see the test cases. So yeah, all 66 test cases got passed. It makes 61% fine. So now if we talk about the time complexity here, so it will be big of, and anyways we are iterating over each and every element once, and a space complexity we are taking one HashMap to store the all characters into our string, so big of and in the space character as well. So if you know any other approach other than this using HashMap and set character, please comment it down. So that's all for today. Let's meet on next.